Hello, this is AI machine which I have been building for past 1 week, and this is a Nvidia Jetson platform, and this is an entry level Jetson Nano. So there are two variants of this machine. One is a 2 GB RAM, other is a 4 GB RAM, and there are other more expensive machines which I'm making. One is on a TX2 Jetson platform, other is AXG Xavier again Jetson platform. The difference between the three series is the Nano is capable of 0.5 teraflops, TX2 is capable of 1.3 teraflops, and AXG Xavier is capable of around 10 teratops. So you can basically do a lot of parallel processing using Nvidia GPU, which is a 128 core Maxwell here in this case, and you can do AI algorithms. Basically you can do video processing, speech processing, object detection, tracing, facial, feature extraction, stuff like that. You can do small robotics projects also. And what you can do is, once you are done with your project and you have verified, you can even take out the board from here and put it into your kit, right? So this just is is a Jetson Nano module on an expansion board for the IOs. So as for the IOs are concerned, there is a 40 pin GPIO here. Then that's coming from the expansion board. Then there is 12 pin IO coming from the Nano board, module board, and this is mainly USART. And then there is a supply and then there is a Ethernet connector here. Now there is no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth module, but on an expansion board there is a M2 connector for that. So if you want, you can connect that. Then if you see the back side of it, there is a USB 3.0 and then two USB 2.0, and they are for your keyboard and mouse, and you can use the third one for whatever peripheral you want, right? So this basically is just a concept design, and I plan to take it to production, where I will do various variants of this machine. So let's boot this. Okay, so it's not running from a flash card, it is running from a Samsung T5 500 GB hard disk. So that makes it slightly faster than what you can do from flash card, and then it is more reliable because flash cards are not that reliable. So that's your machine, and here you have, you can do your, so there is a Lenovo cam at the top which is USB interfaced, and you can also, there is a expansion for CSI cameras, so you can use a dual camera there. In later machines I want to do a motorized camera here which can be used for tracking, right? So that's a simple machine which I have made out of Jetson Nano, and this going to be good for entry level AI and machine learning students, and that's the target for this machine. For commercial use, I'll be designing ones with AXG Xavier platform, and I'll have high speed acquisition cards in that too. So that's it from here, and on my YouTube channel I'm going to start a new series on AI and machine learning, and this machine has been constructed for that. So that's all from now. Thanks a lot. Thank you. See you in YouTube.